Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome to today's lecture on Urdu alphabets and Urdu script. I am really excited to have you join on this journey to explore the beautiful world of Urdu script. In this lecture, we will delve into the history, characteristics, and significance of Urdu alphabets. Okay, so let's start with the Urdu script. First, so Urdu script, also known as Nastaliq, sounds of cough directly from your throat. The- is a unique and expressive writing system used to write the Urdu language. It's a modified version of the Persian script with additional letters and diacritical marks. If we talk about the characteristics of Urdu script, you can say it's written in a flowing cursive style with the letters connected to each other, like for example we say in Urdu about uh, if you are talking about us, you say hum to ha or meme, two alphabets joined and make a word like hum. um, and it's written from right to left, unlike English, which is written from left to right. um, is a diacritical mark. The your Urdu script uses various critical marks to indicate vowel sounds, pronunciations, and grammatical functions. Urdu script has distinct letter forms that are different from other scripts such as Arabic or Persian. Like if I will talk about the types of Urdu script, then there are two types of Urdu script, that is the Nastaliq and Naqsh. Nastaliq, which is common and widely used form of Urdu script, known for its flowing and cursive nature. Nask is a simpler and more straightforward form of Urdu script, often used in printing and digital media. Like if I like importance of Urdu script, if I say something about this, so you can say कि cultural significance. Yes, Urdu script is an integral part of Urdu language and culture, reflecting the rich literary and poetic heritage of the region. It has it plays a vital role in communication, enabling people to read and write in Urdu. Like, if any language don't have any alphabet, how can we say something without any alphabets? So it play a vital role, right? So if, it's Urdu script is a symbol of Urdu identity and is closely tied to the language and culture. um, Most of the languages have connected with the cultural heritage of their system and of their areas and people and the country they belong to people. So this Let me summarize this topic, that Urdu script is a unique and a beautiful writing system that holds significant cultural and communicative value. Understanding the characteristics, types, and importance of this script, and this can deepen our appreciation for the Urdu language and the culture. Okay, let's move to the Urdu alphabets, that is modified version of the Persian alphabet, which is itself a derivative of the Arabic alphabets. The like most of the language are like sub languages or something. They are linked to the languages. They are linked. They are very like a junior, or you can say a daughter of the language, something. So Urdu is a um, is a linked to Persian and Arabic language. So Urdu consists of 39 basic letters and 13 extra letters, making a total of 52 letters. This maybe sounds confusing कि why there are 13 extra letters and 52 letters and why, you know. So we will learn about this later, why these have 32 and 13 and 52 and 39. So because it has, a few letters are sounds and few letters are basically letters that are they are proper shapes and sounds and proper everything. They have everything, but there are some sounds which are um basically used in the middle of the word, like this is okay. So characteristics of the Urdu um, letters that can be categorized into three types. Alif, letters that have a distinct shape and sound, and nishan, letters that represent only sounds or are silents. The compound letters, letters that are formed by combining two or more basic letters. Well, today we just going to learn about the basic letters, you can say alphabets, or like A, B, C, D in English. But in Urdu, we are going to learn about Alif, Be, Pe, Te, Se. Right? So we are okay. So let's start with letter Alif. This letter sounds in Urdu is separate sound. We call him we sorry, we call it Alif, and we use it as a sound of a, in as in like apple. Um, but you can say it's like if you write an apple in Urdu, to alif pe ye lam, apple. So this sounds like this. And if we talk about pomegranate, the which we call in Urdu as anar, so anar, alif noon ra, anar. This sounds begin with alif. Second alphabet we have is B. B. B sounds with B. It's for example, it's as book, book, b, b sound from book. So if you want to write a book in Urdu, b, be kaf book मिला conjoined, be kaf book. Third letter we have is P. P. You can see it's a straight line in a vertical form and three dots. Uh, it has. It's like a sound, sound. Pool in Urdu, and if you say a pool, ठीक है, three dots beneath the straight line, it's per sound. P, from in if you compare with the English sound, it's p. Fourth word we have is ta, te. Arabi, in Arabic we say ta, in Urdu we say te. In English you can compare its sounds with t. Time, like it's time, tea, time, say. So in Urdu we say te. Basically, the next word we have t, te. This sounds there is no alternative in English, but we use t as a alternative, but it's not a proper alternative for te. Te sounds tango, tang, something, this word, like, so we use te alternative, actually we don't have any alternative, so we just use like t for te. Te, actually a straight line that has a little point, another alphabet which is toy, on the straight line, it's called te. ठीक. The next we have sa, sa. So in Arabic and in Urdu it says say, say. And we if you make a sound in English, it's a think proper think, in a proper British accent. If we say think about it, think about it, like it's not think about it. In Asia we call it think about it, it's like the sound, but in a British accent we say think about it, think about it, like it's a sound, sa sound, like, so this is sa, sa, sa. Think about, think about it, think, 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 but in it's like a pronunciation way. Next word, next, sorry, alphabet is Jim. Jim has a proper alternative we have is J, and we can say joy, joy, joy has Jim, right? uh, Next word alphabet we have is J, CH, 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 ch sound, charm. It's like a charm, J alif ra mim, charm, charm. Next alphabet is ha, ha. वैसे I pronounce ha in Arabic form, but in Urdu it's simple ha. ठीक. Okay, तो ha, hot, hot. It sounds like ha, ha, ha. Okay, the ha pronunciation. That next word we have is ho, ho, ho. Okay, the word is kh, kh. uh, if we call hola, hola, ho, kheva, hola, like I think I am thinking about the English alternative for ho. We have I don't think so we have any ho alternative in English, so that's why we use kh, ho, for ho sound. Like if I can give you example of hola, hoja, there is no English alternative for ho. The next alphabet we have is dal, dal. It's dal is like a half crescent. Okay, dal sounds like d, dove, d, dove, dove, the. Basically, you can identify the dal and dal with sounds, right? Because we don't have any proper alternatives in English. If I say dal sounds like a D, so it's not like it's da sound. Then what about da? We have dal, dal and dal. Dal is simple crescent, and dal have a little toy on its head. So dove and drink. Drink, it's drink, right? It's drink. ठीक. तो drink, dal stands for sounds of dal we have drink, duh. But for dal, if we say dania, dania, a little soft sound for dal. But for dal we have duh, the the hard voice. Okay, the hard sound become harder for dal. Next we have zal, zal, da. You can say There is again no alternative for English, from English, like zal, zal. Zal is again a crescent, but it has a little dot on its top. Is zal, zal. Zal. Um, Let me think about dal. Uh, Again, a next alphabet. The next alphabet is ra, re. In Urdu, we say re. In Arabic, we say ra. In ra, okay. So it has alternative in English. Thank God, finally we have, and it's r, r, rice. Simple rice. Okay, so we have another word, sounds raw, re, re. And re is not in Arabic, not even in, I guess, also in Persian. No re. And re, it's a shape like similar to L, and a little toy on its head. And I'm sure you are curious to know about toy, because you already know about it comes and again what is toy. Okay, so ra sounds a hard sound. Okay, so it's also, we don't have any particular alternative for a ray. We use r for this, and it's proper, mostly we don't have any word in English which sounds like raw. Okay na, जैसे छोड़ा, Urdu had word छोड़ा, means leaving, छोड़ा. Okay, so next alphabet we have is z. In Urdu we say it's z. In Arabic we say za. And you guess what is the alternative of z? Simple, it's z. It's zoo. Okay, I guess it's an easiest one. Z have a dot on its top. Now we have a very interesting word. You know, um, uh, it has a very minimal use in Urdu. Very minimal. You hardly found anywhere this alphabet is ya. Huh? But you can hear mostly in Chinese language is this sound. Okay. A few in the Persian language also, but mostly in Chinese. This alphabet is mostly used in Chinese language. This is a pleasure. Y sound. You can figure out this y sound. Pleasure, yer sound. To you can hear me like pleasure, yer. This yer sounds yer. It has three dots on its top. Okay, it's look like z, but it has three dots on its top. Next alphabet we have is seen. Okay, seen is a very simple and innocent alphabet which has alternative in English is s. And if you talk about pronunciation about it is small school, seen sound. Okay, it's similar to Arabic seen sound. Then we have sheen sound. Sheen, sh sounds starts from sh. It's like shine. Next alphabet we have swad. And unfortunately we don't have any perfect alternative, so we use s for this also. And now you have a question that what is the difference between seen and swad? The difference is a pronunciation and the voice modification. Like a seen has a thin voice and swad has a hard voice. Okay, seen, swad, okay, like this. And then we have zod. So Zod also have not proper alternative, but we can show it with Z. Okay, Zod, Z. Now the most awaited alphabet we have is Toy. Toy. Okay, well, Toy is a pronunciation difference between to and ta. Like when you read Arabic Qaida for reading Quran while you learning Qaida, it's ta and to. It in Urdu as well. It's toy call, but the difference between sound it has a difference. Okay, but in English we do denote it as with T. Okay, like tower. Okay, but in Urdu telha, toy, toha, toy. Because I don't think so we have any perfect alternative sounds in English for toy. Zoe, 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 all another found. Okay, we don't have any perfect alternative for zoe. We also use z for the alternatives, but it's like zuruf means utensils. Zoe, raw, wow, fe, zuruf, burden, utensils. Okay, ain in Urdu. Sorry, in Arabic. In Urdu, it's ain, an. It's mean. Actually, we don't have any proper alternative, so we write n as AINN. Okay, ain. Arabic. Arabic ain is ain, and Urdu ain is an. Pronunciation difference we have for an. Okay, so and we have ghain. Next is ghain. Ghan, ghan. In Urdu, it's ghan. In Arabic, it's ghain. Okay, there is the difference between Arabic and Urdu because it has it has more similarities. So I am discussing both things, right? Ghan, you can write the ghan in English as G H G G sound G sound. Basically is sounds like G. As I told you before, we don't have any particular alternatives in Urdu, sorry, in English for Urdu alphabets. So we use GH for G sound. Even for G sound, we also use G. Okay, let's stick with the present thing. The G sound, ghain for gubara, ghain ba alif ra, ra or he, gubara balloon. Fa, fe. In Urdu we say fe, in Arabic we say fa. Fa, alternative in English is af, right? Proper af, food. Okay, it's going to and we have cough, and the cough have two dots on his hat. It's a curved shape thing, which has two dots on its head, and we make a sound like cough. In Arabic we cough, in Urdu cough, in Persian cough. It's a similar alphabet in all three languages. It's a cough, a q, but in English it's a q sound, a calf sound, a little thinner voice in q. as you can understand, QUEUEQ, it's a line, so if you say about a q, it sounds like a cough, but in Urdu it's a cough. Kainchi, kainchi, ठीक है ना? Kainchi means Caesar. Next word, next alphabet, and because q don't have any perfect alternative in English, but as you know, we don't have any alternative, so we write q as sorry, cough with q. Okay, so next alphabet we have is calf. Calf, a little soft voice with calf. Calf, this Katrina, Katrina, calf, a little, you can say, sweet voice, a lower voice, calf. Kilo, kg, kilogram, that kilo, from that kilo. Okay, and next we have gaff. Gaff, as I told you before, cough and gaff sound with the g, uh, uh, sorry, rain and gaf sound with ga. Okay, so gaf have two slash on the top of it, and it sounds like ga, ga, like in Urdu, sorry, like in English alternative we have g, guest, guest. It's a sound na, sometime we use the word with different sounds, like guest. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Next is lam. Lam has alternative with l, life. It's simple. Like not a normal life is simple, but in case of lam, its alternative l is very simple. It has life. And next alphabet we have is meme. And meme sounds like meme, like my name Muvahid, meme, Muvahid, meme. Okay, moon, moon, chand. We call moon in Urdu as chand, but for voice of m we have m. Okay, next word we have noon. Noon, a curved shape which has a one dot on top of it, not exactly top but inside it. It's a noon, sounds n in English. Nice, nice, noon, nice. Okay, it's again the easy one. Now we have wow, wow. Okay, it sounds like oh, 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 you इस तरह से आप it has two more sounds like wow, wow, oh, like v o u, three sounds it has. So you can use in English alternative for, if you can say we have alternative or English, so we have v o or u, three alphabets like vat, coal, cool. When we write Roman Urdu, we write vet, wow, ye, te, vet. Cool, kaf, wow, lam, cool. But in English, cool, cool, right? The sounds and Roman, so it's make like sound v o or u, right? Next, alphabet. It's not actually alphabet, it's a sound. Okay. In the start, I told you about we have many words, and a few alphabets are not word, they are just sound. Okay. Then her, um, there are two her. Actually they have similar sounds, but the difference between both of her is the use of their inwards. Okay, okay, how we use ha in different words in different conditions. Okay, so it's simply alternative in English is h. Then we have hamza, and it's Arabic Hamza. If you read any Urdu Arabic qaida, you say you can solve Hamza. Okay, the similar Urdu Hamza in Urdu as well. Now you can see we have a choti ya and badi ya, the big ya and the little ya. We have choti ya sounds like little soften, and badi ya a little harder sometimes. And choti ya basically used in the middle of the word, and the badi ya is used at the end of the word. Okay, I hope you enjoy the lesson, and you will learn enjoying this. And if you have any question about the lecture, you may comment below, or you can ask me in the assistance group. Thank you so much.